Hello, this is your girl Pvssology, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like and subscribe. Make sure you click that notification button so you know exactly when I'm uploading new content. I'm on VU today, and I'm going to teach you guys how to make an ugly Christmas sweater. Now, it's not going to be ugly to me because I love Christmas sweaters. I think they're really cute. They're fun. A lot of them are funny too. So I'm going to show you guys different ways to make a Christmas sweater, and hopefully it turns out really good. But before we get started, I'm letting you guys know that I'm in my chill create room. This is where I create. This is where all my ideas happen. If you come in and you see me in here, I will reply to you. It may be slow, but I will reply to you. If you need help on anything, I'm also here. I can offer some assistance if I can. If not, I can point you to the right direction. A lot of times my replies will be slow because I'm doing multiple things at once. So just keep that in mind if you do decide to come through. And I'm also in other rooms as well, but mainly right now I'm focused on creating. So I'm going to be in this room when I create. But when I'm in other rooms, I really don't create, or I try to, but it doesn't actually happen. So this is where I get the most done. So I'm in here and I'm relaxing. So if you guys ever want to come through, you can come through. Definitely make sure you vote on the room when you come through as well. And I'm willing to help. I'm not going to ignore you at all. Don't worry about it. Okay, so let's get started. Make sure you have the Gimp opened up. And let's go into Google. So I opened up Google and I typed in ugly Christmas texture backgrounds. And this is what came to mind. These are actually not ugly to me. This is hilarious. Do not use that unless it's going to be AP. But there's a lot to choose from, and obviously I'm going to pick a couple and see what I can do with this. I'll probably show you two versions, which would make sense, but these are not really ugly to me. I don't understand why they think that those sweaters are ugly. I love the sweaters. I find it to be kind of cool. Don't find it ugly at all. I don't know why they call it ugly Christmas sweaters in the beginning, but it's okay. Actually, this is really nice. I actually really like this one. But yeah, these are not ugly to me at all, but to some they find this ugly. I will pick out a couple and figure out which ones I would like. But just type in Google, you do Christmas texture backgrounds or ugly Christmas texture backgrounds, and they'll give you a whole bunch of ideas that you can come up with. So we will be getting started. I'm going to show you guys who I derived from. So I derived from Clean DRB, and they have textures here. So I saved 3 of them. You could save the UV maps if you plan on editing, making it shorter, or just changing something, putting holes in it. You can do that easily. Here, the product ID is below, and then you can click derive from product, which is much easier to do than to copy and paste. So let's go. So I am in Gimp, and I have my 3 textures open up. So the front, the back, and the sleeves. So it's very simple. Now, am I going to recolor it? No, I'm just going to focus on the textures I already have that I downloaded. So let's see what this thing is going to look like. So you go open layers. To texture and logo. And I have different textures downloaded already. This is actually really nice to me, so okay, so this is the size. We're gonna make it bigger. I'm gonna go layer, scale layer. I'm going to do 550 over 550. That's what I usually do for these bigger textures. Scale. Alright, so that's perfect. So now I'm going to play with the opacity on the side. Now the texture is really showing. So 63.8 is what I'm going for. Now all I'm going to do is drag, drop and drag. And that's what the back is going to look like, and I'm going to do the same for the sleeves. Now for the sleeves, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rotate it. Don't want to rotate it too much. When you're rotating it like this, it can be sometimes annoying because it's very sensitive, but usually I get it right. Rotate. Okay, that's what it looks like. That sleeve will not look identical. I can make it look identical, but I'm not going to. Layer, merge down, layer, merge down, layer, merge down. And now for the sharpening. Filters, enhance, sharpen. And I'm going to press OK. Filters, repeat, sharpen. Filters, repeat, sharpen. Perfect. Now I'm going to overwrite, export, overwrite, export, overwrite, export. All set. Now let's go into VU to see what this looks like. So I am in VU and I have my shirts all ready. Let's go and look. Shirt to the shirt. And the sleeves. Apply changes. And this is what it looks like, which is not bad. I would have darkened it more. I actually really like it. You know what? I wouldn't mind darkening it more. The next shirt I'm going to do, or the texture I'm going to pick, I'm definitely going to darken it more. But I actually like this a lot. It's not bad. So let's go back and undo all that. So we're back in Gimp and we're going to undo everything. Undo, do, undo. It's going to be a lot of undoing. Pick a different texture. I'll open as layer. This I actually like, and let's see. This is the one I'm going to pick. It's just giving me more Christmas vibes. And actually, I don't need to resize it at all because just look at it. It's perfectly sized. All right, so let's play with the opacity. To 60. Now I'm going to drag like I normally do and drop. I'm going to do the same for the sleeves. Now remember, I am going to be rotating for the sleeves. Rotate. Perfect. Now going to merge down, layer, merge down, layer, merge down. And now I'm going to sharpen. So I'm going to go to Enhance, Sharpen, and I'm just going to sharpen it. I don't want to lose too much of the color. Okay, like that. Repeat sharpen. Filters, repeat sharpen. Overwrite. File, overwrite. File, overwrite. Now let's go back into VU to see what this looks like. So we're back in VU and we're going to change this out. Apply changes. Okay, this is giving me the sweater I like. This is an ugly Christmas sweater. And it's giving me like a trippy vibe too. I like it. So this is what it looks like. Finished product. Now obviously the thing I would do differently is color the shirt green before I put the texture over it, or color the shirt red before I put the texture over it, because it'll give us a different kind of color. But I actually really like this. Or I would even do black, actually. I think black, it would look really good on. But this is what it looks like. It's very simple. So I hope you guys like the video. Hope you guys subscribe and follow me and just support my channel. And thank you guys for supporting me, and for the newcomers, thank you so much, and I will see you guys next time for the next video.